Hi, good morning, you guys. Today is Thursday, February 1st. I hope you guys are doing good. Today is Thursday, February 1st, 10:43 a.m. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. I hope you guys are doing good. Today we're actually going to do a clean with me, so you guys get to clean with me, so that will be very exciting. So, mostly, everything's clean. I did do the dishes yesterday. Yesterday. So I'm actually gonna put stuff away and do more dishes. I would load them in the sink. I mean, in the dishwasher, but not gonna do that. So yeah, you guys are definitely gonna be cleaning with me. So let's get this video started. Hi everyone, so I did put all the stuff away off camera because I don't know if my camera's gonna die, but I am going to wash these dishes right here, and I'll probably eat something. Sorry, I'm not in the frame. I'll probably eat something really quick. It's like 11:06. I've been like listening to music and stuff like that. I don't know if this is gonna be sped up or anything, but yeah, it's 11:07 right now. I'll probably make myself something to eat. Kind of hungry. I don't know what to eat, but first I'm actually gonna put this away. I'm actually gonna do the dishes right now and put some stuff away, of course clean. I'm probably gonna vacuum and see what I can get done. Yes, I'm still in PJs, so I'm actually gonna listen to music, and this is gonna be fast paced, so let's actually get started.
And now we're in the living room. I just got done eating and everything like that. So yeah, I'm actually gonna help my mom vacuum. I do not like water dripping down my arm and like that. But right now I'm just opening the windows, like the curtains and stuff. So yeah, it's not that big of a mess here because I did clean it and to make sure it's somewhat clean, that is. But yeah, my food was good. Oh, there's something right there. But yeah, my food was pretty good. I just ate. You guys did see it. I'm probably gonna vacuum everything. I need to take out the trash and stuff like that. I'll do that. Later. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Hey everyone, so it's actually nighttime when this video might be posted. I did change my whole outfit. I know, I be changing my whole outfit like all the time, but I'm actually gonna call it a night. This video might be posted today or tomorrow because I'm actually having my boyfriend come tomorrow. We're just gonna chill and relax because we haven't seen each other in quite a while. And also, yeah, you guys, that's the end of today's video. I did finish off the video showing you guys cleaning, I think. Your girl don't even remember what I was doing, okay? After I got done cleaning the whole house and everything, not the whole house, but I showed you guys cleaning the living room, the kitchen, and stuff like that. I might have to clean my room another day. Sorry. But I might have to show you guys clean my room another day. Your girl is tired. I have bags under my eyes because, you know, I'm sleep deprived, okay? Please don't judge me. But I hope you guys are doing okay. What I was gonna say. After I got done with that, I actually did laundry. I only did one load today because I had other things to do, and my mom bought me Chick-fil-A, of course, which I'm so appreciative of her. Because she wasn't feeling that good, but I'm not gonna talk about her. After that, I think after that, I was waiting on my niece and nephew to go to the mall, and we just chilled there. I ate some really good Chinese food. Hopefully, my stomach doesn't hurt. Let's actually pray that my stomach does not hurt. Okay, but yeah, I'm actually gonna call it a night because I forgot to do an outro to this video. I hope you guys do enjoy. Thank you. I hope you guys do enjoy today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely do more videos. I have a cook with me that I still haven't uploaded. I have a shop with me at Old Navy, which I haven't done. I have another video, what I eat in a day, because someone did request that. I can't remember her name. For the life of me, I can't really remember her name, but she did request that specific video. And yeah, I'm actually going to call it nights and edit this whole video. But I hope you guys did enjoy this whole video, and thank you guys so much for support. I just want to say thank you, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.